Hi, my name is Raulh of God Cured. Many of you all may know me from my visit to Dr. Sebi's Usha village in 2013 when he cured me of my multiple health issues. After he treated me, my health was completely restored. Today, I keep Dr. Sebi's legacy going through teaching proper nutrition, proper minerals, and proper fasting. See, I teach you the things other people don't tell you about how to help improve your health. Below I have multiple videos on things that you should and should not do in order to keep yourself healthy or to restore your health. I was once an alcoholic and a heavy smoker for 24 years, along with eating all the wrong types of so-called foods which wreak havoc on my health. As a result, I suffer from health issues like sluggish liver, heart issues, swollen prostate, adrenal gland burnout, IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, and a whole host of other illnesses. I would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you get all of the information from the videos I post that will help you restore your health too. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Raulh, and if you don't remember anything else about me, please remember this. Prayer is not enough. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. After you subscribe, check out a few of my videos below. You'll see what I'm talking about.